Minasan, konnichiwa, rampant desu, and in this video we are learning to write and recognize the hiragana in the knot line. In our last video we learnt the ta line. We learnt ta, chi, tsu, te, and to. The na line contains the sounds na, ni, nu, ne, and no. Let's start with na. This is na, and you can remember it as na for nun. Here is a nun praying to a cross. So draw the cross first, then the nun kneeling, and then draw her hood. And that's na. Na for nun praying to a cross. The next hiragana is ni. And we can remember this as ni for kneecap. If I draw a foot down here, it looks like a kneecap. To draw it, draw this line here with a little flick at the end. Then, do you remember cot for coin? Just draw cot for coin. And there you go, that is ni for kneecap. Our next hiragana is nu. And this is nu for noodles. So we have two chopsticks in a bowl of noodles. And over here is an egg. So you can remember this as nu for noodles. To draw nu, draw the chopstick first, then the other chopstick loops around and draw a loop for the egg in the bowl of noodles, and then that's it. That is nu for noodles. Next is ne. And this is ne for net. Okay, here's the post, and here's the tennis net. And there's a hole in the net. So this is ne for net, but there's a hole in the net. To draw net, draw the pole first, then draw the net, and don't forget to draw the hole in the net. And that is net for net. There's a hole in the net. And our last hiragana is no. And you've probably seen lots of signs like this around. It is no for not allowed. You've probably seen lots of signs telling you you're not allowed to smoke. So it is not for not allowed. To draw not, start off in the middle, draw a straight line, then curve around like that. And that is not for not allowed. What words can we make with these hiragana? We can make nani, which means what. If I write it for eels and nu for noodles, then that is inu for dog. If I draw net for there's a hole in the net and cot for coin, then I make neko, which we know is cat in Japanese. And that is the knot line. Please practice these hiragana at spacekoala.com and then watch my next video, which will be the heart line.